I just got monetized on a new video platform. I have 0 subscribers and a couple of minutes of watch hours, but my video is already monetized. It took me just 2 days to get that monetization, and let me show you today how I did it. Hi guys, if you are new here, my name is Maria, I'm an investor and usually I'm talking about my different investing strategies here. But today I'll tell you about one more possible source of passive income. Why not to make some extra money on your videos while you sleep? All of you know that it's possible to make money on YouTube, of course, but to start YouTube monetization takes a huge amount of time, and unfortunately it happens not immediately. So I found a new video platform called Rumble, and the best part about it is that you can start monetizing your content instantly. Rumble is a free video sharing platform. This social app is similar to YouTube in a way that it allows users to upload, stream and vote on videos. So let me show you how I did it. I will not tell you how to register on this platform because it's super easy, but I will leave my affiliate registration link for you down below in the description of this video. I think you might even get some bonuses for registration using this link. You will just have to fill your information there, verify your mobile phone, upload your pictures, and that's it. And now let's go straight to my Rumble account so you could see my uploads and my earnings. As you can see, here is my account, Maria Anderson. You can write only like this here, which is quite funny, but it's okay. And if you scroll a little down, you will see all your videos here. It's your uploads. And recently I uploaded just 2 videos. I uploaded them on the same day, and one of them is already monetized and the second one is still monetization pending. As Rumble says, approval normally takes 1 to 14 days and it's based on demand. At times it may take a bit longer. During this process, your video is available on Rumble. It will show up on your followers' feeds and is shareable to all your friends. I think I'm quite lucky to be approved only after 2 days, but let's see how exactly you will monetize your videos. So here you can see account overview, and it's also super easy because you can see all your earnings in one place. You can also cash out after you will get your earnings. For now, I personally have $0 earned, but I just got my monetization today and I will definitely keep you updated about my earnings. If you are interested in that, let me know down below in the comments. And now let me show you how to upload videos on this platform. It's important because you also have some special rules there. To upload a new video, just click here on this icon, choose upload video. You also can go straight to live stream from here. Then you can select video to upload or just drop the file here. Let's drop the file. Then create a video title. I will just write the same title I have on my YouTube channel. My passive income $200 per month in dividends. Then create some description here. Choose a thumbnail for your video or just upload a new one. I will upload the same as I have on my YouTube channel. Then put some text, something like this I think will be okay here. Choose upload to your channel, which you already created here on Rumble. By the way, you can have a bunch of different channels using just one account. I will upload it to my Maria Anderson channel and hit upload. And here is the most interesting part. You have to choose your licensing options, and here are 4 of them. The first one, exclusive. You are assigning the exclusive rights management of your content to Rumble. Rumble will be obligated to pay 60% on the earnings collected from these third parties in relation to your video, with the exception of YouTube.com. On YouTube.com, you will retain 90% of all net earnings generated in relation to your video directly on YouTube.com, including on the Rumble-owned and operated YouTube channels. The second option, excluding YouTube. You are assigning the exclusive rights management of your content to Rumble, excluding YouTube.com, Rumble will be obligated to pay 60% of the net earnings collected from third parties in relation to your video, with the exception of YouTube.com. The third option is non-exclusive. It says similar to YouTube. You retain full control and all rights to your video. You are only granting a non-exclusive license to access your content through the Rumble Video Player and to use, reproduce, distribute, display, and perform such content as permitted through the functionality of the Rumble Video Player. Rumble will be obligated to pay you 60% of the net earnings collected from advertisements within the Rumble Video Player. And one more option here is non-monetized. You retain full control and all rights. Rumble will not partake in any monetization relating to your content, which is not interesting for me personally, so I'm choosing the third one, non-exclusive, this one. I recommend you to read terms of service here. Then we just click on it and click submit. It needs some time usually. And here we are, our video is uploaded and ready. Now you can click on my content here and you will see all your videos. And as you can see, the new one is already monetization pending. And the only thing you can do now is wait and create some new content, of course. If you also have any questions about your videos, just click here. You will find all the popular questions and answers here about YouTube and everything. Let's see, for example, this question: can I have the same video here and on YouTube? Yes, you can have the same video on YouTube and Rumble at the same time, regardless of which license you choose. And guys, if some of you is a new YouTuber, I really recommend you to check out this video. I made it when I hit my first 1000 subscribers. That's all for today, and if this video was useful for you, please hit that subscribe and like and bell and everything. So see you in the next videos. Bye!